Fourth problem. Sudhakar borrows rupees 22,500 at 10% per annum, compounded annually, means every year. He repays rupees 11,250 at the end of the first year and rupees 12,550 at the end of the second year. Find the amount of loan outstanding against him at the end of the third year. So here solution given. What is given? P is equal to rupees 22,500. Able to follow? Next, R is given 10%. Next, compounded annual year. So N is equal to 1 year for every year. 1 year. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. That is equal to 22,500 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power of N. N means 1. That is equal to 22,500 into, here 0, 0 cancel. 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10. 0, 0 cancel. Now multiply. How much you will get if you multiply? 2,250 into 11. 2,250, 2,250. 0, 5, 7, 4, 2. So how much you got here means 20 rupees 24,750. This is the amount after the end of the first year. Now he is repaying amount. Repays 11,000. Repayment is equal to rupees 11,250. Able to follow? Now balance, how much we have to see. How much is the amount? In rupees 24,750 he is repaying. He is paying money. How much money is paying? Rupees 11,250. Subtract 24,750 minus 11,250. How much? Balance means 0, 0, 5, 3, 1. Rupees 13,500. Now this will become the principal for the next year. Principal is equal to, balance is this one 13,000 and R is same, rate is 10% only. 10% and N for the second year means 1 more year. 1 more year. Again amount formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. 13,500 is the remaining balance. That will become the principal for the second year. Plus 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power of 1. 0, 0 cancels. 13,500 and 500 into 10 ones are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10. 0, 0 cancels. Now with 11 you are going to multiply. 1,350. With 11 you are multiplying. So rupees 14,850. Now how much he repays? He repays rupees 12,550. So balance how much? Remaining amount. Balance is equal to rupees 14,850 minus rupees 12,550. Subtract 12,550 50. 0, 0, 3, 2. So how much is balance? 2300. So here rupees 2300. This is the balance. This will become the principal for the third year. How much is principal means? 2300. Again R is 20%. Sorry, 10%. This R will not change. Same rate. And N again one more year. So 1 year, third year. Now amount formula. Amount, what is the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. What is the principal here? 2300 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power of 1. 0, 0 cancels. 2300 into same 11 by 10. 0, 0 cancel. 230. 230. So 0, 3, 5, 2. How much is remaining balance means 2530. This is the amount outstanding at the end of the third year. Write that word. Outstanding loan amount is rupees 2530. Write the conclusion. Sixth problem. Calculate the amount of rupees 30,000 at the end of 2 years 4 months, compounded annually for every year at 10% per annum. 2 years okay, 4 months they have given. We have to change months into years. So here, please here, my dear, P is equal to rupees 30,000 and R is equal to 10%. And here N they have given 2 years, okay, no problem. 4 months, this 4 months we have to convert into years. How to convert this 4 months means 4 months is equal to 4 by 12 of a year. 4 goes 1 time, 4 goes 3 times. So 1/3 of a year. Able to follow? So here how to find amount means amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of whole square you write. Because here 2 years no, here N. Or otherwise here you write N into 1 plus R. 1/3 of this rate. 1/3 of this rate. R by means here 1 by 3 by 100. You have to do like this. Here 2 years. Here 1/3 of a year. So P how much? 30,000. 30,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square into 1 plus 10 by 3 divided by 100. Are you able to follow? So now that is equal to, here one more step, 30,000 into here 0 0 get cancelled, 11 by 10 whole square into 1 plus 10 by 3 into 100. Denominator comes to denominator place. 0 0 cancel. So 30,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 whole square is there now 2 times. Here 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 1, 30 ones are 30 plus 1 is 31 into 31 by 30. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Now 3 goes here 10 times. Now multiply. 11 11s 121. into 31. 121, 1 3 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1 is 3. 1 5 7 3 into 10. So into 10. Rupees 37,510. So this is the way of solving. So be careful. You have to convert months into years. And that rate you have to take 1/3 means R by 3. If you remember this one, you can solve this problem. Ninth problem. Calculate the amount and the compound interest. Amount we have to find. Compound interest also we have to find on rupees 25,000 for 3 years. Compounded annually means every year. At the rates of interest they have given successive years. Successive year means continuous years. First year, second year, third year. In first year 8%, second year 9%, third year 10%. The rate of interest is changing. So be careful. Solution given. P they have given principal rupees 25,000. And here N is 3 years. Though it is 3 years, the 3 years we won't take 3 separately we are going to, because the rate of interest are changing. N is equal to 3 years, though it is 3 years, rate is changing. Rate of interest is 8%, 9% and 10%. 3 successive years. 3 successive years. You have to mention this one clearly. Then what is the formula for amount? Means how to find amount. P into 1 plus. Here this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Because 3 rates here. So P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Keep in mind. So be careful. That is equal to what is P? 25,000. 25,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 1 plus 9 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100. Are you able to follow? Simplify. 4 table goes. 4 goes 2 times. 4 goes here 25 times. Here there is no table, common table. Here 0, 0 cancel. Now how to solve? 25,000 as it is into 25, 1 is 25, 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 by 25 into 100, 1 is 100, 100 plus 9 is 109. So 109 by 100 into 10 ones are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 10. Keep in mind. Now 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 25 goes in 25 one time. Now what is remaining is 27 into 109 into 11. Multiply. If you multiply, you will get 32,000 rupees. 32,700 373. 373 multiplication. Now we got amount. They are asking to find compound interest. Compound interest means CI. They are asking to find compound interest also. So CI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount how much? We got just now 32,000 rupees. 32,373 minus rupees 25,000. 25,000. So how much we'll get means 7,373. That is the compound interest. 12th problem. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 64,000 for 1.5 years at 15% per annum, compounded half yearly. Half yearly means 6 months. Half of the year means 6 months. So in this 1.5 year, 6 months, how many will be there? Means 3 will be there. In 1 year, 2 6 months will be there. Again one more half. So 3 halves. Are you able to follow? So now here solution given P is equal to rupees 64,000 they have given, and N they have given 1.5 years, means 3 halves. 3 halves. Next, R they have given 15%. So what is the formula for amount? Means here amount is equal to P into 1 plus, in rate you have to take half, R by 2 by 100 whole to the power of N. You can change the bracket, square bracket. Are you able to follow? Very very important here. 3 halves will be there. In rate half you have to take, and N indicates 3 halves. Cube should come. Are you able to follow? 2 years, 4 halves will be there. Rate half you have to take 4. Like that. Double. 2 years means double. 4. Here 1.5 double is 3. 4 years means 8. In the same way. So now P how much? 64,000. How much? 64,000 into 1 plus 15 by 2 divided by 100. Are you able to follow? So that is equal to 64,000 into 1 plus 15 by 2 into 100 whole cube. Here N place 3 you have to write. Cube. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0, 20 times. So 64,000 into 1 plus 3 by 40 whole cube. This cube, don't forget this cube. Very important. So 64,000 into 40 ones are 40 plus 3, 43. 43 by 40 into 43 by 40 into 43 by 40. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 4 goes, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 4 goes 4 times. Again this 4 goes. Now 43 into 43. How much means? 79,507. 79,507. Now they are asking amount and compound interest also. CI formula. CI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount how much? Rupees 79,507 minus 64,000. Subtract. How much you'll get? Rupees 15,507. Rupees 15,507.